Hi, my name is Shane Balkham. I'm CIO of U Asset Management, and welcome to my 2-minute missive. Most of the headlines over the last couple of years have been dominated by COVID-19 and the emergency conditions needed to combat the pandemic, and quite rightly so. And 2022 sees the media focusing on rates and the removal of monetary policy, and we'll see where that leads us over the next quarter. For us, some of the big tail risks that aren't being talked about is in particular Russia. Now, in a similar vein to 8 years ago when they annexed Crimea, we are seeing troops bordering Ukraine, some 100,000 troops, and this has triggered a conference between NATO and Russia to resolve the situation. Now, what Russia want is a guarantee that there'll be no expansion of NATO, particularly across its borders, and also no bases will be put across its borders as well. In return, NATO obviously want Russia to stop amassing troops along its borders, particularly with Ukraine, and to avert an invasion of Ukraine. Now, hopefully this will be resolved without any issues, but this is not done by accident. Vladimir Putin is a very clever individual. There's a reason why this is being done in winter, and there's a reason why this is being done in particular when there's a supply shortage of industrial commodities. Russia holds a huge supply of industrial commodities, and it also has huge reserves of oil and gas. So Russia's not doing this from a point of weakness, and it feels it has a good chance of getting what it needs. The markets, on the other hand, are completely ignoring this at the moment. There's no whisper of this across the markets, and the only contagion being Russia's own assets with its own stock market down so far this year. So be aware, that's all we're asking. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for joining me. These views are my own, and please seek advice from your advisor before making any investments. Cheers.